Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing the hardware-reserved memory issue on Windows 11, where your computer isn't using all the RAM you actually installed. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most common culprit is a hidden setting in the system configuration that accidentally limits how much RAM Windows is allowed to touch. We need to make sure this is unchecked. Go ahead and press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type in msconfig and hit Enter. A window called System Configuration will pop up. Click on the Boot tab at the top. Then click on the button that says Advanced Options. Look for the checkbox labeled Maximum Memory at the top right. If this box is checked, that is your problem. You need to uncheck it completely. Do not type in a number, just make sure the box is empty and blank. Click OK, then Apply, and OK again. Windows will ask you to restart. Go ahead and do that now to see if your RAM is back. If Step 1 didn't work, we can try resetting the paging file, which acts as virtual RAM. Sometimes this file gets stuck and reserves physical space. Click on your Start button and search for View Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, click the Settings button. Go to the Advanced tab and look at the Virtual Memory section at the bottom. Click Change. Make sure the box at the very top, Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives, is checked. If it was unchecked and set to a custom size, that might have been causing the reservation issue. Check it, click OK, and restart your computer. Finally, if Windows still says Hardware Reserved, the issue is likely in your BIOS or the physical sticks themselves. This part happens outside of Windows, but here is what you need to look for. Restart your PC and enter your BIOS, usually by pressing F2 or Del. Look for a setting called iGPU, Integrated Graphics, or Shared Memory. If your computer uses the processor's built-in graphics, it reserves RAM for video. If this is set too high, like 2 GB or 4 GB, try lowering it to Auto or 128 megabytes. Also, power down and physically unplug and replug your RAM sticks. Often, if a stick is slightly loose, Windows detects that it exists but marks the entire stick as hardware reserved because it can't use it. And that's it. You should now have access to the full capacity of your installed RAM. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.